my daily tip from Mrs. Bibb is actually not just going to be a math tip. As you can see, this is a PSAT book, and it's an English question. But I want to show you, and I know that you've probably heard that you can, I want to show you that you can actually use your phone as a scanner. I have had my students use Adobe Scan, this app right here. But I learned something yesterday that I did not realize. I knew that you could do it, but you can use your notes as a scanner. Let me show you how. Hold down the notes and then choose Scan Document. And now your phone is a scanner. You find what you want to scan. You move these little handlebars to where you want it to go. Click Keep Scan. There's your first scan page. To do more, you go to the next page you want to scan. Let me just say I want this problem here. I only want that problem on my next page. I took that picture and I only want that problem, so I'm going to move these handles around. This will come in handy for turning in remote work if you have an iPhone. I'm sure this works on Android. I'm not sure how, but I'm sure it does. That's what I want to keep, so you click Keep Scan. I want to do another one just to show you that I can. So I'm going to do this paragraph over here. There's that paragraph. I'm going to move this around and put it in the place that I want it. And I'm going to click Keep Scan. Okay, so let's say that's all that I want to scan. What I do is click Save. And there it is. The whole document is saved for my PDF. Now, here's what you want to do. You want to name it. So if you're turning in an assignment, you want to name it with your name. So go to the very top, double click, and I'm renaming it. I'm going to rename it as L. Bibb. Put your first initial last name. Put what the assignment is. Let's say, even though it's English, I'm going to put Math, Week 1. You can put Algebra, whatever the title is. Week 1. Oops. And so there I have that LBIB Math Week 1. Click Save. And it saved us that. Now, if you have Google Classroom on your phone, you can go directly to Google Classroom. Notice all these come up. You can slide this over, and right there's the link to Google Classroom. You can choose what class it goes in. So I'm a student down here in this class. And then you choose Attach to Assignment. You choose what assignment it's attached to, so I'm going to attach it to my test. And look, it's uploading. I believe I have to go back out of here and mark it as done. I attached it, but I don't believe I marked it as done. There's my test. Oh, see, but there's my attachment. Did you all see that? Okay, let me go back. Okay, so there it says test. Down here it says your work. So I hit the arrow, and there's my work. And then if you had another attachment you wanted to put on there, you could. And all I have to do is click Turn In and hit the Turn In button. and I have turned in my work. Now, if I wanted to put corrections in there, I would hit unsubmit. Then I would, I'd hit unsubmit. And then I can add attachment. Never delete what you've already put in there. Always leave it there. I could click add attachment, and I could leave it there. Now I'm going to click turn in again. And there we go. So I'm sure with an Android there's something similar that you can do, but that's how you do it with an iPhone. Hope that helps.